Alright guys, so since gas was getting super expensive and my race car in the garage is not a gas saver, I went ahead and got a little daily to run around the town on, go to bike meets and stuff. I just need to get a helmet and some leathers. But this is my new Hoover right here. She gets like 6 miles to the charge, I think. It'll go about 15 miles an hour with me on it because I'm a little heavy for it. But if you weigh like a buck 120, it'll probably go 20 miles an hour. It's a Hoover 1X, I guess. It's clean, it's a little dirty, but she scoots though. You'll see in a second.
Oh shit.
Car.
Holy shit.
Alright, so as you guys seen, you just kick off and you throttle down and you take off. And here's your gas, your brake, and then your speed. It has 2 settings. P1, I don't know what it's for. It goes like 8 miles an hour. P2 is where you're boosted basically, and this thing goes like 15. Then you got your little charging cord here, like a phone plug-in. And then, you probably can't see it, but if you double tap this, it has lights on it. It's got underglow. So you can fit in with the racers at the meets. And it's got these nice grips for if you want to speed. A nice, like, non-slip padding here. It was probably recommended to ride with shoes on, not flip-flops, because if you get hung and fall, it's probably going to hurt. And then the other cool thing, you hit this little button here, and you like pull it out. That's what she said. You go down, and you can just take it into the bar. It's great. And then when you get to your place that you want to go, push a little back thing down, bring it up, clip it, turn it on, hold it for 10 seconds, and you just take off in the wind. Gone with the wind or gone in 60 seconds. You get a little bit of balance. It goes uphill. You can even go off-road. Those boys' trucks on those videos that you see, you can't do that.
What?
But we're gonna take you for a road course now.
Facts. So it's the road test now.
Yeah, we're on a road test. Don't try this at home. It's not licensed or insured. Cars coming.
Take 2. Zach almost got hit by a car. So
Yes, now.
road test,
Gotta,
part 2.
you gotta indicate your blinkers that you're going this way. And you just take it down the road. Yeah. See, if you run out of gas and your girl's like, come over, but you don't got a car or you don't got license, whip the scooter out, dude. Go straight to your house. Yeah. See, the brakes are a little spotty, but as you see, the Hoover 1X is a great item. You can take it to car shows, drive it if you have a suspended license. It's a perfect sneaky link item because it can't hear it. You can hide it in the closet or under the bed. It goes 15 miles an hour, has a lot of battery life, easy to ride. Overall, this thing is like great. It doesn't look ugly. It's got lights so you can see at night. I'd honestly give it like a
1 out of 10. 1 out of 10.
A what?
1 out of 10.
A 1 out of 10? I don't know, dude. This thing's pretty perfect. They're kind of expensive, probably like new, like 300 bucks, 400, 250, something like that. But it does got underglow. It's about as fast as a Honda. The 60 foot on this thing is probably like a 260 foot. It's pretty good. But hope you guys like this review. I would honestly buy this. I got mine used, so it's cheap. 100 bucks for this thing. A Chris Benjamin Franklin. But, I mean, you can't beat it. I honestly might take it to my next car show and just park it up. It does have a kickstand. You just park it up. But, cut. Nah, kidding. We're rolling. But honestly, I'd buy it. Honestly, get one. See y'all.